The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video with the iPhone 12 Pro for Straight Talk. So currently, as of the video recording, the iPhone 12 Pro is available for pre-orders at Straight Talk. So when this video goes live on YouTube, you guys should be able to buy the iPhone 12 Pro at Straight Talk. So it's available in 128 GB of storage, and you'll have it in your color here. So that's what the phone looks like right there. Pretty nice looking phone. It does look like the iPhone 11 Pro from last year. Of course, the new iPhones got announced out recently. So the iPhone 12 Pro has 5G. This one says 6.1 inch display. It's an OLED display. I don't know why this isn't. I don't know what the hell this is right here. It's kind of weird right here. But there's 3 cameras in the back. 20 hours of usage time. 128 gigabytes of storage, up to 512 gigabytes of storage with the iPhone 12 Pro, 6 gigabytes of RAM. Here are the dimensions for the iPhone 12 Pro is 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. So I think it's the same size as the iPhone 12. So it says welcome to a new era of iPhone, a transformative triple camera system that adds tons of capability without complexity and unprecedented looking battery life. In a mind-blowing chip that doubles down on machine learning and pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Welcome to the first iPhone powering multi-phone Pro. They said that last year about the iPhone 11 as well, so The iPhone 12 Pro is $999 for the 128 gigabyte version. Specs again on the iPhone 12 Pro: 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. 5G sub-6 GHz, 6.66 ounces of the iPhone 12 Pro weight, 20 hours of usage time. Of course, like it is on all Straight Talk phones, a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. The iPhone 12 Pro has iOS 14. Says that iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system, packed with powerful features and designed to protect your privacy. Cameras: ultra-wide and wide telephoto, the triple camera system, and iPhone 12 Pro adds a telephoto lens for pro-level portraits and the ability to zoom in on distant subjects like wildfire and sporting events. A Pro iPhone deserves a massive amount of storage. Get the 512 GB model to keep creating 4K videos and photos without worrying about space. Have fun out there. Battery up to 20 hours of video playback. iPhone 12 Pro represents a major leap forward, setting a new bar for all-day battery life, fast charge adapter included. So there you guys there. So basically the iPhone 12 with an extra camera on the back. The iPhone 12 Pro is $999 at Straight Talk for the 128 gigabyte version. So I don't know if Straight Talk has all the storage options or if they have all the color options for the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm not sure. But if you guys want an iPhone 12 Pro on Straight Talk, it's not here. Currently, as of this video recording, it's available for pre-orders. So when this video goes live on YouTube, Y'all should be able to buy the iPhone 12 Pro. It's straight up in this video. It's live on YouTube. So, yeah, there you guys have the iPhone 12 Pro and Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me know a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.